Hi, welcome to this video where I will teach you that is Shopify easy to use for someone without technical skills. So let's get started. First of all, Shopify is not at all that difficult for somebody to use who is not from a technical background. And it is possible to build a website using Shopify without any technical knowledge or coding skills. Shopify is a user friendly e commerce platform that provides a drag and drop interface for designing and customizing your website. Shopify offers a variety of templates and themes that you can use as a starting point for your website. These templates are designed to be visually appealing and mobile responsive, so they look great on any device. In addition to templates, Shopify provides a range of built-in features and tools that you can use to customize your website, including a visual editor for adding and arranging content, built-in SEO tools for optimizing your site for search engines, and integrated payment gateways for accepting payments. Shopify also has a large app store with a wide variety of apps that you can use to extend the functionality of your website. These apps range from social media integrations to advanced analytics and reporting tools. So now the question is that who can use Shopify? So anyone can use Shopify, whether you're a first time seller or a multi-million dollar business. All you need is an idea, something to sell, and an internet connection. And you could have an online store live in no time. With over 1,200 apps, specialized features such as inventory tracking and shipping tools, and a range of price plans, Shopify is a powerful platform to choose. It can be used by any sized store and is extremely scalable. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.